Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As you saw, it is a very early start. It's about 5:30 in the morning. We are leaving the hotel room right now. What was that? You can't manage a single finger? She just kind of like used her knee to push the button for the elevator. Yeah, that has been there all night. Anyways, we are leaving the hotel. We don't know if we are going to be coming back, but we are headed over to Universal Studios right now. This lighting is absolutely atrocious. We are heading over to Universal Studios right now. It is super early. We checked the annual pass holder Facebook group, and there are already people there. There were people who were actually kicked out of the parking lot because they were staying there all night. They got there last night and they tried to stay through the whole night, and they got kicked out for loitering. So supposedly the parking garage is open at 6 or 6:30. It's still up in the air as to whether or not which one's true. But yeah, we are heading over there right now. It's gonna be a long day. We're just hoping to get on Hagrid nice and early and hoping to be one of the first ones on. We'll see, guys. This is going to be a very fun, very interesting day. Let's go. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, from the Universal Orlando parking lot. We are about to make our way through security. It looks like they opened up the parking garages at about 6:30. We're reading on the Facebook groups that people were parked outside, waiting to get in. And then at 5:30, everyone in mass was like, security's open, security's open, security's open. So we are making our way through security right now and headed over to the park. There's already quite a few people here. It looks like a lot of other people had the same idea that we did. This coaster is highly anticipated. It's going to be a fantastic coaster. I am super excited. Coda, don't fall. Don't want to kill ourselves. We're here, nice and early, Universal Orlando Resort. A lot of people are hustling. They are hustling. It's not like the coaster's going anywhere. We are not running. We are just taking our time. Starbucks is open though. It's definitely a lot more crowded than we anticipated. Still not super crazy though, not yet at least. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the word of the day is patience. We are gonna have a lot of patience today. Even getting into the park, people were already getting with each other, you know? And yeah, it's just gonna be an interesting day. A lot of people are rushing inside the park right now. There's just a lot happening. We're all making our way over to the ride. We're all gonna get a chance to ride. I don't know why everyone's trying to get all with each other, but it is what it is. People are running. Oh boy. Like, yes, we are excited for this new coaster, but we're not gonna be running to it. And laziness is also a factor of it as well, but we're just here to have fun, to enjoy the moment. We have our team member with the sign. All the team members are so cheery this morning. I am most definitely struggle busing today, mostly because today of all days, I forgot to wear a belt. Oh my God, my pants are halfway down my butt right now. And we're trying to just speed walk over to Hagrids. Oh man. Struggle fest. And we have finally reached our stopping point just outside of the entrance to Seuss Landing. It's so weird to see the land so empty, but there's still so many people around me. What the heck? Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, we have movement. We are finally moving. I don't know how far up we're moving, but people are moving. People are excited. Yo, they are taking us through Poseidon's right now. Are you serious? That is smart. That's very smart. No one goes inside Poseidon's anyways. So to use Poseidon's as an extended queue is one of the smartest things Universal could have done. And there's AC. And there's AC. Yes, even better. This is the coolest thing. This is not something I expected. We're just being filtered through Poseidon's. That's awesome. Smart idea, because I heard that they weren't letting anyone else into the park right now until they cleared out some of Seuss Landing. So that is definitely a smart move on Universal's part. I have most definitely never been down this way before. It's a side entrance to Poseidon's, I guess. I've only ever been through the main entrance over there. Coming in through the side. It smells like doo-doo. It smells like a mix of paint and ass. Yeah, paint and ass. Oh, hey, look at that, Dernerts. They got food carts set up. Smart. Awesome. What is this? This is new. Yeah, this is. Oh man, we got to turn around. We're going against the arrows. We are most definitely backstage now. This is interesting. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the 8th wonder of the world, the backside of Poseidon's. This is more like the side, but this is so cool. I feel like we're at Horror Nights now. It feels like Horror Nights and getting escorted backstage. Looks like the reservoir for Poseidon's over here. Look at that, they got more snack carts set up. They have donuts set up. Smart. Universal knows what's up. They planned for this. And my pants are falling again. We moving, my pants are falling. I remember when these pants used to not fit me, period. Now, they are not fitting me for other reasons. Weight loss comes at a price. For sure. I feel so special. Oh look, they have a bunch of RVs set up. That's probably for all the celebrities and junk. They have people in suits. People in suits. I don't know what's going on. Supposedly the Today Show is filming this morning for Hagrids. So, we don't know. Porta potties! Oh man, they got queues set up all back here. Well, they got to fit the day guests through here somehow, so very smart. All right, making our way back on stage. Oh, look, it's the Sinbad show. Wow. They really haven't done anything to it.
I've never seen that, so that's not a thing anymore?
No, Sinbad's not a thing anymore. Wow. That is intense. And we are stopping. All right, I exited the line for a little bit. We're out here near the Sinbad stage. You can see the queue circles out some more, but Universal has done such a great job. They got fans set up. They have water stations over here that are full of ice water. They're constantly refilling it. They have someone over there to let people go to the restroom. This is so well managed. I am so impressed with Universal for how they are doing this. This is honestly fantastic. All right, it is 9 a.m. The ride is officially open and we have movement. We're moving out in front of Poseidon's Fury. Again, another look at the water stations. We have the big industrial fan. Okay, sorry, 8:59. Watch it roll over to 9. Your phone's at 31%.
I noticed.
Any second now. There it is. Now it's open. Just to get a visual of the fan. Dakota's hair. It's there for a little bit, it blows. Dakota's getting blown. You know you want to laugh. Dakota, how do you like getting blown? Does it feel good to get blown? One thing I also want to mention is that they have DJ booths set up throughout the queue. They also have a DJ booth in the back lot of the park. So that is absolutely awesome. Universal doing such a great job with keeping their guests entertained. Things are moving along fairly quickly. That's how we know that the attraction is actually open and the queue is open, because we're moving fairly quickly and we're actually making our way into Hogsmeade right now for the ride. So that's awesome. I am super excited. They have stanchions set up for people who are in the line. They have people who are just walking through. This is exciting. I think we're about to make our way over to the lockers right now. All right, looks like we are heading in. I don't know if I'm gonna take the camera inside the queue, I don't think we can, but we'll see what happens.
Right.
Whoa!
There you go. We'll meet at the edge of the forbidden forest. We'll have to run down the street before they say fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing. About those bikes. I didn't think they'd take all the into the forbidden forest. Just hang on. Hang on. Dragon fire's got a kick.
Alright guys, so we just got off of Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. I unfortunately had to put the camera away. We put our phones away and everything, so I wasn't able to keep you guys updated on Twitter. So, just to give you guys a little bit of insight, we got into the queue itself at about 9:30. It is now 1:30. We were in that queue for quite a while. And the reason being, well, initially we had a weather delay. We had some lightning in the area and they had to stop the ride and we were waiting in the queue. That was about 30 minutes. Then it was just stop and go, stop and go, stop and go until we got up more up front and the line just kept going and going and going. And then we were within eyesight. We saw the station itself. We could see the motorbikes going and the ride broke down for about an hour. So that just didn't help things at all. The queue on the inside is absolutely massive. A lot of switchbacks, a lot of different things to see, but there's just a lot of different switchbacks and the queue did unfortunately take a long time. So by the time we were riding it, we're just like, we just want to be out of here. We just want to get done with it. But my review of the ride, you guys saw in the video that I took of the ride, it is absolutely fantastic. Is it worth waiting 8 hours? Absolutely not. Am I going to come back and ride it again as soon as I can? Absolutely. Maybe when it's an hour wait, or if I have an express pass for it, whenever they get that ready for Hagrid's. So next time I ride it, hopefully the virtual queue will be going. We'll give it a few weeks and see. The virtual queue is supposed to roll out tomorrow, supposedly. So we'll see how that goes and we'll see what the average wait time for this attraction is going to be, and we'll just go from there. And you can see we have the entrance to Hagrid's over there just for the queue so that you can go backstage and everything. It was quite intense, but the ride itself was very fun. It was very comfortable, very, very smooth. A lot to see and do. I was very disappointed with the Hagrid animatronic. It barely moved at all. His mouth didn't move. His eyes were barely moving. He was just kind of moving from side to side and his arms just kind of went up and down. It wasn't very impressive at all. The other animatronics for the animals, the magical creatures, those were a bit more impressive. The drop track that you go when you are inside the Forbidden Forest and in the dark part, it's a vertical drop and it drops you maybe 15-20 feet. It definitely catches you off guard, but it is a very, very fun ride. And it's actually a lot faster and a bit more intense than I was anticipating. It is a family style roller coaster, that is what it's called, but it can be pretty intense. It can be pretty intense. So I have another video that I'm going to be posting about whether or not it is fluffy friendly. Spoiler alert, it's not. I'm going to be posting a video on that and we're going to be taking a closer look at the test seat. So overall, I'm just super happy that I was able to ride. What killed it was how long we had to wait with the weather delay and the technical issues. That just kind of killed it for me. But other than that, I cannot wait to ride this attraction. It is a very, very solid attraction, very solid addition to Universal Studios. I just can't wait to come back and ride it. But we are tired. Code and I are extremely tired. We're hungry. We just want to go home. So that's what we're gonna do. It's hot. We're gonna head on home. I'm gonna edit these videos, get them up for you as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much again for watching and keeping up with Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. If you guys want to see more videos like this, be sure to leave a like. Let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe. I'm so tired. Please subscribe while you're at it. Hit that notification bell. Get notified every time I upload a new video. And we are off. And we will see you guys in the next video.